up like a cat.
Good boy!
Oh my god, Rupert!
And he can't even get, this is the dog that won't even jump up on the couch.
Oh,
Wow. He's my hero for the day now.
what a clever boy.
Hey guys, hi.
Hi.
We have made our way to Noring Lake and I got it first time again because
No, he didn't. Big fat liar.
I get a little camera shy and maybe sometimes it makes me forget actually where we've come to.
6 take.
Second take.
Oh, did I say 6? No.
It was quite a pleasant drive really. Not too far from Perth. It's about what? Just
2.5 hours from Belmont because we stopped off at the Aldi ski sale. So we left there at 10 and then we were here at 12:30.
Yeah.
So 2.5 hours.
This is about 2.5 hours drive, but you know, you can Google it from your location. It's obviously going to be different. It's absolutely fantastic here. We turned up and there was 2 campers and we thought we were going to be sharing with someone, but we've got the whole place to ourselves.
Yeah, which is nice. We've got room with a view. You'll see it later.
Yeah.
Right on lakeside.
Yeah, and it's a really big lake. It looks very small on the Google Maps when you're having a bit of a scan around. But I tell you what, when you come here, it's a very big expanse. I took the drone out for a nice flight, had it on sports mode, and even then, it's such a big area that it looks pretty slow. But the sun's going down. We finally put the tent up.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're really going to go for a swim in that water.
No, it's a little bit manky, like mosquito larvae on the surface. I'm sure probably a bit more middle of the lake is okay, but we didn't bring the blow-up kayaks. That's a bit of a shame because that would have been nice. But it is very quiet and peaceful, so certainly nothing that makes noise on the lake would be welcomed. I don't think any sort of water vessel that makes noise would be welcomed. It is very quiet and nice, all the wildlife. But we're just going to have a little explore, I think, down the southern end of the lake, and then head back to Sundowners.
Hey, which is going to be grand. So I'm hoping to get the drone up again a bit later on and try my best to capture that shot where I get the stars reflections in the lake. It should be 0 light pollution here and I've got all the right lenses so I can set up for something nice long exposure later on. I think it's going to look really good. And we're just going to enjoy a bit of a walk. We haven't got ages here, have we, darling, really?
No, we've only got one night, unfortunately. But, you know, a couple of nights is fine, I think, here. I wouldn't think well, it depends how much we want to get away from nature and off the grid, because you can certainly got to get off the grid. Albeit you can get reception out here, but why would you want to? It's also dog-friendly. We haven't quite gone to the toilets yet, but there's long drop toilets, some picnic tables.
Yeah, picnic tables. I think there's a couple of shaded areas as well. So if you've got a camper van, like what these other people did, it would probably be good to get there because then you'd have the nice shaded area as well as your camper van. I'll leave descriptions of the location down below, but I strongly advise down below, not there.
Oh,
In the description down below, we've come here. What date is it today? 19th
of May, which is lovely for this time of year, but it's not every year that late May is so nice.
So there's been quite a few midges around by the riverside, by the lakeside, sorry, and also when we first turned up close to the farms, there's loads of flies, even this time of year, so summer would be a nightmare. So pack the insect repellent if you don't like that sort of thing. Well, we're going to sign off because the sun's going down. We're going to go for a nice walk. We'll catch you on the flip.